Hello and welcome once again. Today I'm going to share with you this cute guy. It's an egg on legs, and it was a contest on a Facebook group called Extraordinary Felting and no Unique Felting and Extraordinary Art. And it's a quite a big group, and I really loved the contest. So I thought I'll share with you how I made it. I folded up a pipe cleaner, and I'm just turning up the the pointy edges. It's folding it so it not doesn't poke anyone. And I've just given it a bend and then two more bends at both the ends. So these are going to be the feet, and I'm building the body right in the middle of it. So I'm using my Corval Nascoidal slivers, and now I'm going to make the shape of an egg on top of the legs. So I found it easier to do it this way. I'm adding more wool just to give it the shape of an egg, and I'm using my multi-tool to make it a bit faster, and it really does felt quite fast if you're using a multi-tool. So I want my egg to be like an egg. So I'm adding more wool until I get the shape right. And the bottom part is a bit more fatter than the top part, so I'm adding more wool to that. And I'm going to make it nice and firm. Just a reminder that I've just used one pipe cleaner and I've twisted it really well so it becomes more sturdy. I sketched a little egg and I'm going to make similar to that sketch. So the smile is kind of a crack in the egg, and I'm using a marker just to mark where I want the cracks to be, and in the eyes as well. So the crack is going to be like a smile. And the crack, I just thought, just give some character to the egg. I'm using a cutter. And it has to be really firm before you use the cutter. And I'm shaping the little smile. So it's a bit crooked because I want it to be crooked. It's a crack, not a real smile. So I'm just felting along the lines that I've made with the paper cutter and giving it a bit of a rounded edge with more wool. Adding a bit more wool so it's a bit more rounded because it looked too thin to be honest, and just adding more wool to it, make it a bit more plump in the face because it has to look cute. You don't want a really slim egg. So for the eyes I'm just using black wool and poking it into the little holes that I had made, the little marks with the marker, not the holes. I'm wrapping up the black pipe cleaner with orange wool, and I'm not getting into too many details of the feet because it's going to be sitting. You don't have to worry about it falling over or making it stand. So just making rounded feet. So this is the hat, and simply I'm just using a purple colored wool and going around the head in the shape I want the hat to be sitting. So it's a bit tilted, so that's how I'm going to add the wool and cover up the whole thing so it looks like a hat. Now it's going to have a rim with the lighter purple. You can use any color you want. I like these two together, so I'm using them. So this is the rim of the hat, and with dark purple I'm giving it a bit of detail. I felt like the rim was too small, so I'm adding more to it, and it just goes with the design. I'm going all around, so I've got another rim to it. For the pom pom on top of the head, I'm just using a bit of light colored wool, and I'm going to attach it like you attach fur, just right in the middle, poke it, and then poke it from both the sides so it's nice and secure. You can add more if you want, like I'm doing here. I wanted it to be more fluffier than it was looking. And then I'm just going to give it a trim. So there it is. I'm using a light colored wool for the shade of the smile, just to make it more prominent. Nothing too bright, just the color of the eggshell. And tiny little piece for the eyebrows. So just two little lines using the same light color. So it's subtle and looks like an egg. And here it is. I hope you enjoyed this project, and we're going to make your own egg on legs. Thank you very much for watching, and do subscribe for more cute projects. Thank you.